Hey everyone, in this video I'm going to show you a step-by-step tutorial on how to download files from Replit. Replit is an online coding platform that lets you write, run, and manage your projects directly in your browser without installing any software on your computer. Many developers, students, and beginners use it to create programs, websites, and scripts because it's simple and accessible from anywhere. However, sometimes you might want to download your files from Replit to your computer. For example, you may want to back up your project, edit the files using another editor like VS Code, share the project with someone else, or upload it to another platform such as GitHub or a web hosting service. In this tutorial, I'll walk you through the exact process step by step so you can easily download your files without getting confused. The process is actually very quick once you know where the options are, but if you're new to Replit, it can be a little hard to find at first. So if you're ready to save your Replit project files directly to your computer, let's go ahead and get started with the tutorial. First and foremost, we have to open our Replit page. Then we will scroll down and click the project we wish to download our file from, which then takes us to a new screen where there is 3 columns of displays. Then we will go to the one on the far right where there is a search bar. We search if our files are multiple, but now we have a few files so we can find them easily. After finding the file we wish to download, we will hover over it and there appears a 3-dot icon, which we will click, and then the download icon appears also. Then we will click Download. And that brings us to the end of this tutorial. As you can see, downloading your files from Replit is actually a very simple process once you know where to look. It's a useful feature if you want to keep a backup of your projects, move your code to another platform, or continue working on it using a different code editor on your computer. If you're learning programming or building projects online, it's always a good idea to keep copies of your files so you don't lose your work. Replit makes it easy to manage your code in the browser, but having your files saved locally can give you more flexibility and control over your projects. If you found this tutorial helpful or learned something new, make sure to check out the other tutorials on this channel where I share more simple guides about tools, websites, and useful tech tips. So that's how you do it. I hope you guys liked this video. Subscribe for more, like for more, and share for more. I hope to see you again. Goodbye.